Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's class is going to be about perfect square root tricks. I'm going to show you some tricks on how to find the perfect square. So before then, you need to know some things about perfect square or how the tricks works. The step 1 says know your square of numbers at least from 1 to 15. So example is what you have seen there so far. So you need to know like 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9, still you get to 15. So consider this question. For instance, you have to find the square root of 4,225. Can you do that? Yes, we can do it even within 3 to 5 seconds. It can be done. I can even do it under 1 second. The answer is 65. So I want to show you on how to get this. Now, step 2 says know the last digit of a perfect square. Example, square root of 25 is 5. Why is it 5? Because the last digit here is 5. So I'm just saying, since the last digit is 5, so 5 times 5 is 25. I'm going to show you more. Just keep watching the video. Step 3 says, know that every perfect square ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, and 9. No perfect square ends with any other number apart from the numbers you have seen so far. So if the number is a perfect square, it must definitely end with either 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, and 9. And if the number is not a perfect square, it will end with 2, 3, 7, and 8 or 8. So that's it. Now, how to know the last digit? How do you know the last digit? That so that we can use that to relate it with, is it ending with this, and what will be the possible number that you're going to use to find my perfect square root, because this is a trick. So now, if the last digit is 0, therefore the square will likely fall under number 0. If the last digit is 1, the square is likely to fall under 1 and 9. If the last digit is 4, the square will likely fall under 2 or 8. How do you know these two numbers? Just say, if you know the first number, 2 plus what to give you 10, 8. If the last digit is 5, that means it's likely to fall under 5 alone. If the last digit is 6, it will fall under 6 or 4. 6 plus 4, that's 10. If the last digit is 9, it will fall under 3 or 7. So for instance, let's use a typical example of what I'm saying. If I'm asked to find the square root of 16, the last digit here is 6. So therefore, where does 6 falls? 6 falls under 4 or 6. So definitely the square root of 16 will be either 6 or it will be 4. Now I'm going to show you the next video on how to know which one really suits in. So just subscribe to the channel and follow for more.